Hari Om children, this is 12th Business Maths exercise number 1.1 sum number 4. Show that the equations, 3 equations are given, are consistent and solve them by rank method. Let us write this in the matrix form first. I am taking and writing the equation 5x plus 3y plus 7z equals 4, 3x plus 26y plus 2z equals 9, 7x plus 2y plus 10z equals 5. Write it in the matrix format. I'll get 5, 3, 7, 3, 26, 2, 7, 2, 10. The variables are x, y and z equals 4, 9 and 5. So I am going to write the augmented matrix in the next step. The augmented matrix 5, 3, 7. This is of the format AX equals B. So B matrix also I have to join here. So it is 4. Next row 3, 26, 2 and 9. And the third row 7, 2, 10. And the last element is 5. The next step is to reduce in the row echelon form. Reduce to row echelon form. So what should I do here? The first row is 5, 3, 7, 4. The first non-zero element in first row is 5. Below these two elements I should make it 0. So what should I do is I should multiply this row by 3 and row 2 by 5 and subtract row 2 minus row 1. Just remember the elimination method what we have learnt in 10th standard. So row 2 minus row 1, 5 into row 2 minus 3 into row 1, which will give you row 2, the new row 2. Okay, now the new row 3 will be 7 into row 1 minus 5 into row 3, which will give you the new row 3. Okay, so a small rough column can be created here. Now doing the second step. 5 into row 2. 5 3s are 15 minus 3 into row 1. 3 into 5 is 15. So 15 minus 15 I am getting 0. 5 into row 2. 26 into 5. 26 into 5 I will get 120. Sorry, 26 into 5 I will get 130 minus 3 into row 1. Minus 3 into 3 I will get 9. 130 minus 9 is 121. 5 into row 2. 5 2s are 10. 3 into row 1. 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 10 is minus 11. So here it is minus 11. Next one, 5 into row 2. 9 5s are 45 minus 3 into row 1. 3 4s are 12. So 5 minus 2 is 3 and 4 minus 1 is 3 again. So it is 33. Shall we move on to row 3? Now you have to multiply this row by 7 and this row by 5. You can write here in pencil. You can erase it whatever you have done for the first time and write it as this row 7 into R1. 7 into R1 and this row you have to multiply by 5 into 5. Subtract both these rows. Okay, 7 5s are 35. 35 minus 7 5s are 35 again. So 35 minus 35 is 0. Next 2 5s are 10 minus 7 3s are 21. 21 minus 10 is minus 11. Next 10 5s are 50 minus 7 sevens are 49. 50 minus 49 is 1. 5 5s are 25 minus 7 4s are 28. 25 minus 28 is minus 3. So this next step is over. Now you can see here the second row consists of multiples of 7. So you can simplify it by dividing row 2 by 11. R2 divided by 11. Row 1 you will get as such 5, 3, 7, 4. If you divide row 2 by 11, 121 by 11 is 11. 11 by 11 is 1. 33 by 11 is 3. Next, third row you can write it as such. Now you have simplified it. So the next step will be easier for you. Next step is first row, the first non-zero element was 5 and below that we have made it as zeros. Now come to the second row. In the second row, the first non-zero element is 11. Below the non-zero element, you have to make it 0. So for that, it is enough if you add these two rows. R2 plus R3, 11 minus 11, you will get automatically 0. So 5, 3, 7, 4. Second row 0, 11, minus 1, 3, and the third row R3 equals R3 plus R2. So 0 plus 0, 0, minus 11 plus 11, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 3 plus 3 makes it 0. So now rank of matrix A. Take only these first 3 rows and first 3 columns. This is matrix A and there are 2 non-zero rows. So the rank will be 2. And rank of the augmented matrix AB. You are going to take all the 3 rows and 4 columns. Here also 2 non-zero rows are there. So the rank of augmented matrix AB is 2. Now both these are less than 3. So what you will write is, it is consistent with, that is what the question is asked. It is consistent with infinite solution. When you find the value for x, y and z, you will get infinite solution. Infinite solution with one parameter. I'll explain you what is one parameter at the end of the sum. Now let us find the values for x, y and z. So from the last matrix you will get the equation as 5x plus 3y plus 7z equals 4 and 11y minus z equals 3 and z, I don't have anything here for z value, so 0 equals 0. We will have the equations like this. So for z we will substitute k. Let z equals k. Okay. Now take this as equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Substitute 3 in 2. So I'll get 11y minus, instead of z I can substitute k, which is equals 3. 11y equals 3 plus k, y equals 1 by 11 into 3 plus k, or else 3 plus k divided by 11, both are same only. So I have got the value for y. Just block it, and I have got the value for z also. So block it, okay. Take this as number 4. Substitute number 4 and 3 in 1. What is the first equation? 5x plus 3y plus 7z equals 4. 5x we have to find it off. 3 into 1 by 11 into 3 plus k plus 7z is k equals 4. Now 3 in 3 1 is 3. 5x plus 3 by 3 into 3 plus k the whole divided by 11 plus 7k equals 4. Now take LCM here. 11 will be your LCM. 11 5s are 55x. Now you need not multiply 11 here. Instead you take this 3 inside the bracket. So 3 3s are 9 plus 9k plus 11 7s are 77k equals 4. So 11 might be taken to the right hand side. 55x plus 77, 3 3s are 9, here it is 3k, right? So 77k plus 3k, I'll get 80k equals 4 into 11, it is 44. Simultaneously, I'm taking 9 to the other side, so it is minus 9. Now simplify. 55x plus 80k equals 44 minus 9 is 35. For the value of x, 55x is equal to 35 minus 80k. So 55, I'm sorry, I have, okay, it's correct only. So 55x is equal to, I'll take 5 in common. 7 5s are 35, 1 5 is 5, 6 7 8 5, 6 5s are 30, 16k. X equals 5 divided by 55 into 7 minus 16k. When I simplify, I'll get this answer 11 times. So x equals 1 by 11 into 7 minus 16k. So x, y and z we have found out. For k we can substitute any one unique parameter. So that is what, for each and every number we will be getting a unique solution. That is what parameter mean. Is that clear, children? So with this, sum number 4 is completed. Hari Om.